So, we continue with session 3. In session 3, we are going to talk about the challenges of human resource management. In this session, our objectives are, after studying this session, you should be able to appreciate the challenges of human resource management in Ghana, understand the functions and strategic importance of human resource in the global economic group of Ghanaian companies. 3, explain how globalization is influencing human resource management. 4, describe the impact of information technology on managing people. And 5, discuss the challenges facing HR management in Ghana. Who is an HR manager? HR specialists design processes and systems in the organization that operating managers help implement. Therefore, we have what we call line versus staff functions. HR is a staff function. That means HR provides support to line managers. So what are the competitive challenges and then competitive challenges of HRM? The most critical competitive issues facing organizations today are: 1, how to go global; 2, embracing new technology; 3, managing change within the organization; 4, managing talent and human capital within the organization; 5, responding to the market; 6, how to contain costs; 7, workforce demographic and diversity; and 8, employee concern. So we are going to describe into detail one after the other. First, globalization or going global. Globalization simply means the trend towards opening up foreign markets to international trade and investment. That is the shift towards a more integrated and interdependent world economy. It simply means that we need a strong HRM to be able to do it this way. So how does it impact on HRM? Different geographies, cultures, laws, and business practices. So what are the issues? Identifying capable managers and workers who can work on this. Developing foreign cultures and work practices, training programs for people to be able to go there and work. Adjusting compensation plans for overseas work. Challenge 2, embracing technology in human resource management. So human resource information systems. What are the functions and benefits of human resource information systems? It helps to lower cost, administrative and operational efficiency. 2, it can store data for HR strategic planning and also retrieve data. It also helps in mechanizing, automation, that is payroll and benefit activities. It also helps in detecting equal employment opportunity and diversity action tracking within the organization. It can also help to build organizational knowledge, and it eases communication too. Challenge 3, managing change. So managing change through human resource management. For example, formal change management programs help to keep employees focused on the success of their businesses. The 4th challenge is managing talent and human capital. So core competencies. Core competence simply means the overall knowledge set within an organization that distinguish it from its competitors and deliver value to customers. Sustained competitive advantage through people is achieved if these human resources they have value, are rare and unavailable to competitors, and are also difficult to imitate and are organized for synergy. Thus, these are the main challenges that that organizations will need to manage their talent in order to have these efficiencies. Challenge 5, market response. How do we respond to the market so that we can become competitive? By designing HRM systems to be able to respond to the market. For example, improvement in cost, quality, service, and speed. And all this depends on human beings. For example, managers should be able to create an environment for change. There should be effective leadership and communication processes. The administrative system should be reviewed and modified from time to time. Challenge 6, containing costs. We can contain costs by downsizing. That is the planned elimination of jobs by doing head count. Sometimes some of the jobs are not necessary because they add a lot of costs. So we can also do it by layoffs or even outsourcing. That is contracting outside the organization to have work done that formerly was done by internal employees and adding more cost to the organization. Another thing is offshoring. That is the business practice of sending jobs to other countries, especially places that we can have cheaper factors of production, and so on. 7th challenge, demographic and employee concerns. Managers and HR managers have to be concerned about changes in the makeup and the expectations of their employees. Some of these issues are diversity and immigration challenge. Example, age distribution of employees, gender distribution of the workforce, and education of the workforce. Another challenge is the cultural challenges, which deals with employee rights, for example, if in terms of religion or religious activities and so on. Concerns for privacy, changing attitudes towards work, balancing work and family, especially when women get pregnant and they deliver children and so on. How do they balance all this? So what is the model of diversity management strategy? That is, valuing diversity in the workplace deals with 3 major things. 1 is culture, 2 is opportunity, and then leadership. These are the 3 main factors that determine diversity at management at workplace. With a culture, for instance, organization-wide image. So we deal with organizations fosters mutual respect, organization fosters sense of belonging, and so on, equal pay and income, valuing diversity, and so on. That deals with the culture. With the opportunity, are there career development plans, promotions of multicultural employees, opportunity for development of new skills, and so on. With leadership, management practices. So how do we reorganize the capabilities of all employees? Are there support for all employees? Do we accept perhaps people who do not speak English in our work sites, and so on? I will refer you to the next session, to read on this session, that's session 3, and also the textbook on our reading material. Thank you very much.